Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to show you how to use the Teams app using your computers, mobile apps, as well as laptops. So the first screen you should log into the once you get the login console, you should put your username and password. Then please make sure you type your username correctly and enter the password. So you will be going into the landing console, which is the themes, where the themes are nothing but the classes. Here we have configured the classes. Still, some more classes are being configured. So only you will have visibility to the classes which you have permission to. I'll take example as a A-level grade 13 ICT class, where, as you can see, this class has been configured as combined with a couple of classes. So therefore, this class has been configured in such way that it is a subject rather than the class. And the chapters are being configured as channels. So therefore, each chapter, when they conduct the Hasna teacher used to create a different channel for that. So just for the convenience that she's preparing. And as you can see, if you click on the collapse button, you will see the conversation among all these classes. And also, you as a teacher can select on these three buttons and you will get this manage team button, manage team option. So when you click on the manage team option, you will see the owners here, the Hasna MLC teacher, and the students, which right now 34 students have been connected to this app. And if you want to add more students, you can add members here, right? Then you can also see the statistics. If you click on analytics, you can see how many users, how many messages being exchanged, and total capacity is being utilized. And here the active users, see here at a time there are closer to 25 users, and a maximum peak has been utilized. So this is last 28 days summary. Also says that we have started towards the end of March, so there's an increase. Then again, there's a drop here, closer to 10 users, it has been dropped to. So the class teacher should be able to view this. Also, not only class teacher, but also the honors right now. So you can add any number of honors here, maybe sectional head and principal. So they will get the visibility to this console. I'll move on to the another session, another class, which is economic Tamil medium. This is the first class to start as a trial, and as you can see, there are many classes being scheduled by Nafil Madrasa, and there are some test classes also being configured, created. The sessions have been created. You also can create a new session, or else you can initiate the discussion by clicking on reply button. When you click on reply button, you will get option to type, and also you will have option to click on the attachment, and you can attach from your computer, from OneDrive, from Teams, and you can reuse a recent document which has been updated. So this way you can easily do that. So you can, I'm here trying to show you by attaching one file by clicking on loading from my computer, choosing a file. So here, as you can see, the file has been updated. After that, when you click on this enter button, then the file gets uploaded there, the session. And there's another option that we can show you out here to start a meeting or the schedule a meeting. Here you see the meet now, or else there's a camera button. When you click on this meet now button, then you will have this option to enter the session name, and you have the camera on option, and you can click on meet now and schedule start the meeting immediately. You can schedule a meeting. When you click on schedule meeting, then you will be able to schedule your meeting, select the date and time and all that. So I hope you understand why we are starting the sessions by 7 o'clock, just to highlight you that data is a concern. So you have peak hours and off peak hours data. So off peak hours start from 12 midnight to ending at 8 a.m. in the morning. So I hope if you could utilize at least half of the session during off-peak hours, at least you can save some data. You can put the description about the class and then you can press send. So when you press send button, the all members of this class, which previously I showed you how to view the members. So all the members will receive a notification. For all the members to receive notification, they should have app installed on their mobile or logged into their Teams using their computer so that they will get a notification. If not, the chatter will contain those information. All right. So here you can see certain documents have been updated already, and I'm into this economics travel class. There is other way you can schedule the class now. This is the new schedule I have created, so this is available right now. You can use this, and when you click on this class, and you should be able to start the meeting. Similarly, you can create a new meeting from here as well by clicking on the calendar. So there are two options available, Meet Now as well as New Meeting. Meet Now is similar to what I have demonstrated previously, and New Meeting, when you click on New Meeting, you should be able to enter the description and click on channels and select the channels, as well as you should be able to copy the link. And this, by clicking on this join Microsoft Teams, you can right click and get the link by copying link. Then you should be able to forward this link through email or even any of the group. So by clicking on Meet Now, you should be able to create a new session, and here is the option to join the meeting. You can switch on, switch off your video camera, mic, right? So when you meet, when you click on join meeting, this is how it will be appearing. And also, if others have joined, you should be able to view who else have been joined as well. And there are options, few options available here. You can see that there's a camera icon, the mic icon, then the share option, right? So there are other options also, like when you click on these three dots, you have few options out here. Start recording, you can record your sessions and enter into full screen mode. Okay, so by clicking this chatter option, this is called chatter option, you can use this option to communicate with the members of this group. All right. So similarly, you can by clicking this people tab, these two head which appears here for people tab. When you click on the people tab, you can see all the members which are expected to join, and also you can invite the members from here by entering their name. By when you start entering their name, the suggestion will appear. So it's easy for you to call someone for the meeting rather than remembering their full name and all that. When you start typing, it will give you the suggestion, so it will be very easy for you to do it. All right. So that's it. I hope that you have understood clearly, and you should be able to move forward with the classes.